All right, ladies and gentlemen, Northeast Leasing here, proud to present this beautiful 2017 Ford Transit. It is a T-150, long wheelbase with 29,000 miles. Beautiful white with gray vinyl interior. AM/FM stereo system. You got a power windows, power door locks, power mirrors. Super nice, and best of all, minimum damage around the body. Let's check out your front bumper. Whoop. Looks pretty good. Just seeing some damage down here. Got a crack. Let's see this it's about 6 inches down here. All right, it's got a heavy scuffing here, or long scuffing here, 10 or more inches. All right, now a little cracking on this bumper, about 2 inches. What else? That is about it. Your hood looks good. Your fender, I forgot what's the name of this thing, but it's not really a bumper. We got a heavy scratch, 3, 6, a couple of chips over here. That's about it. Your hood looks pretty good. Does have a chip right there, less than an inch. Front fender looks good. Front driver's a steel wheel. Tire tread is 10/32. This door does have a little dent down here. Boom, about 2 inches. And another dent here, about 6 inches. Dent here, about 2. So dent over here, 3, 6. About 6 by 6. 6 by 6 area right here. All right. Heavy scratching here and some here. About 3 to 4 inches each. It's got a dent here in the quarter here. About 3 inches itself. Here's your rear driver's steel wheel. And your tire there back here is that's over 7/32. Got your power windows, power door locks, power mirrors. Here's your front driver's seat. No holes, no tears, no rips. This vehicle does come with one key fob combo in owner's manuals. Check out pictures for more details. Jump into this vehicle. Turn it on for you guys. Got your AM/FM CD player, Onyx, and all that. Doesn't have any of that. AM/FM stereo system is got your Onyx. All right, that it does have. You got your AC controls right down below. All right, this is what your instrument cluster looks like. You see no lights on except for your tire pressure light on. Your mileage of 29,485. 29,485. From here, you can actually see the cracking on the window. As you can see, heavy crack, 10 or more inches. This windshield's gonna need to be replaced. Coming around. Everything else looks pretty decent. Some scuffings here on this molding piece. Alright. Got a heavy scratch here. Another little dent there. Another dent there. That's about it. Now these doors, you hit this little switch and they unlock and go all the way out. Likewise on this one. Boom. And this is what your cargo area looks like. Pretty nice. Your floors look pretty freaking decent. Does have some dents on the wheel wells there, and some more here. Boom. On this door, the panel looks good. Does have some dents here, and this seems to have a crack here on the metal itself. Check it out. Wow. Just noticed it now, guys. All right. Just noticed it now. I might have had that prepared. It's got some dents here as well. Some over here. This side doesn't have a cracking, but it's got some dents there. They must have overfilled this truck and then pushed the door in to try to close it. This quarter looks pretty good. Let's have a large dent here, 10 or more inches. Some here. All right. And another little dent over here with some paint off, about 5 to 6 inches. All right. Heavy scratch here, heavy scratch there. Little dent here and dent there with paint off. On both, they actually look like scratches. Check out this door, looks pretty good. This door as well. This is what your side cargo area looks like. Pretty nice. This door, got a little dinghy right there. Get your front passenger seat, with no holes, no tears, no rips to that. Your front fender looks pretty nice, and your front passenger steel wheel looks pretty good as well. Your tire thread here is at 10/32. Lights are working. Car looks pretty damn nice. Folks, once again, this is a 2017 Ford Transit T-150 long wheelbase with 29,000 miles. You guys got any questions, concerns? Don't hesitate to ask. If you guys want more Transit vans, we got them. We got Pro Masters. We got 15 passengers. You guys let us know. Thank you and happy bidding.